Today I will show you how can you create such a chart that will be changed when you change the value from the drop-down list. First of all, this isn't actually a chart, it's a picture. So how can we create such a picture? We have to create our charts first of all, and those charts should have the same size, because we will be copying the cells underneath them. So I'm in E2, so a bit to the right, then shift to the right, okay, and to the down, so I select the whole range underneath the chart, Control C, and then go to the sheet when we want our picture chart. That will be changed. Right mouse click and paste special, and we have to paste picture and paste picture linked picture, so picture with the link, the reference to the range. And now when I select this picture, you can see in formula bar we reference those cells I have copied. So when we move a bit our chart here, the picture on the other sheet also change, and I've also put 1 here on the first chart, 2 on the second chart, and 3 on the last chart. So Control Z, and now we can see we have whole chart. So how can we choose those charts? In formula bar, with this is connected to the picture, we cannot put directly formulas, but we can name formulas. So let's move a bit down this chart and start to create our formula, then we name. So I will be using choose function to choose which chart is chosen. So we will be just want to get numbers, 1 for the first chart, 2 for the second chart, and 3 for the last chart. So we just can use match function that will be looking in the value from the drop down list, F4 to lock it, comma, we'll be looking in this list, F4 to lock it, and comma 0 exact match. So the line chart is chosen, so the match function should return 3. Yes, it's 3, and based on values returned by match function, we'll be choosing proper ranges, and I already named those ranges. First range is chart 1, the second is chart 2, so now I can move faster, I don't have to name those ranges hand by hand. Okay, those should be all ranges, and I have put 1, 2, 3 underneath those charts, so I can see now is the range from the third chart. When I choose bar chart, it should be 2 here, and column chart is 1. So I have formula that returns me proper range. Now I have to name this formula. So in the form, when I editing this formula, I'm copying all of it with equal sign and the start, and then I'm go Control F3 to name manager. I can create here new name, and I will call it just chart without any numbers, and refer to I will put here. So delete all thing was here, and Control V, and this is my formula. And now I can press OK, and now I have this name. So I can close it, I can select my picture chart, and here I will write the name of this formula, so chart, and that's all. I can now choose bar chart, line chart, and we can see the formula returns different values, and our picture returns different charts.